In front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, this time to click on Device Unlock, and select Face and Fingerprint Unlock right under Screen Lock. Finally, after entering your login method, you can tap on Face Unlock and hit Setup at the bottom right corner. Then hit Next, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Select Done and go back. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!